फैंटास्टिक्स वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ गाइस। As you guys can tell by the thumbnail, this is also another no glue, no borax recipes. You guys have been giving me so many comments about make toothpaste slime and whatnot. So I did my research a little bit and I found this video which one of you guys have recommended in the comment section, and in this video he shows us how to actually make it, and this kind of actually looks pretty legit. Now let's see if that recipe actually works or not, and let's see if this toothpaste salt recipes kinds of work or not. I am going to test it for you guys. So now without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. So now let's take a bowl. So here's our bowl and I'll take toothpaste as you guys can see in this video. So let me show you guys this video first. So as you guys can see in this video, he's just taking toothpaste, and so many of you guys have been telling me in the comments that you add the salt all at once. You'll just add little by little. So I'll just try to add it that way, and let's see if this recipe actually works or not. So now I am adding some toothpaste. You guys can literally use any toothpaste. All the toothpaste ingredients are literally the same. So you guys can just try it with whatever you have at home. I'm taking some toothpaste, a little bit like this much because I don't want to waste too much. So yeah, this much. And now in the beginning we'll add the coloring. So if you want to color your slime, so just add it in this step. I am adding this light green. So yeah, he actually added a lot of paint in his toothpaste as well. So I am just going to add a little bit, as you guys can see. I think that's enough, and as you guys can see, I've mixed this enough. So now I'll start adding our salt little by little. So now I'll start adding our salt just a little bit at a time, as you guys have said it. So yeah, I'm adding just a little bit at a time. Let's just mix it really nicely. As you guys can see, it looks like it's pulling off from the sides. I'm actually surprised. I hope you guys can see that. Let's zoom you in a little bit. Now let's add a little bit more, just a little bit. You guys can see that, right? It is pulling off from the sides. And I think that's enough of salt. And this is like a big glob now. I think it can work. So yeah, just this much. I'll just keep it in the fridge for 24 hours. That's what he said. So I'm just going to keep it in the fridge section, not in the freezer. So keep it in the fridge. Now I'll go and keep this into the fridge, not in the freezer, in the fridge for 24 hours. And then I'll show you guys the results. Let's see the results in just a second. So guys, after 24 hours, this is how it looks. This is the toothpaste slime. It's not really a slime, but it is super sticky, and yeah, I guess it did really work. No, I'm just kidding, you guys. As you guys can see, this is actually a glue slime, and you guys just got pranked. Like, this is an actual, like, as you guys can see, this is an actual glue slime, and that's how it looks. And it's not toothpaste. You want to see how toothpaste looks? Let me show you guys. This is how the toothpaste looks. It is just paste. Like, I don't know what you guys were expecting, but oh well. I'll show you guys a clip of how I actually made it, and you guys just got pranked, and this recipe is obviously does not work. And yeah guys, that was it. So I'll show you guys how I did this, so just watch this. So to copy this, toothpaste texture, I've just added a little bit of glue and a little bit of lotion into it and activated it, but not over activated it, because I need you guys to believe that it is actually that toothpaste, and it should look something like this, super sticky, so that you guys can believe that it is actually a toothpaste. So what are your reactions now? So what do you guys think? So that's exactly how other slimers or slime YouTubers do fake videos, and you guys think that those actually work, but those does not. And I don't want to lie to you guys. You already know I never lies, and that's why I have less subscribers than like JSH DIY and other fake content creators. But I love what I do. I only show you guys the real deal and not the fake ones, and that's what I love about my channel. And if you support me on this, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. If you are a new viewer and want to join our fantastic family, then please come and subscribe and join our fantastic fam. And yeah guys, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that bell icon, because I'm going to upload a lot more videos. So keep waiting for that, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.